Good morning, good afternoon. My name is Michael Cooper with HP Software, and I am honored to be joined with some great partners. Mac Teje from CapGemini, who's the Senior Vice President of CapGemini India, and also one of the co-authors of the World Quality Report, and Guillaume Runzer, who is the Senior Solution Market Manager and has worked very closely with the World Quality Report for several months, and it has been instrumental in its success. Also, I wanted to mention that today is a very exciting day at HP Software because we have a monumental release of all of our quality and testing tools and some development tools as well, like Quality Center with a new web UI for requirements and defects, and a remarkable user experience, cloud bursting that's coming with the new Load Runner and Performance Center release, new offerings with service virtualization, network virtualization, and Agile Manager. Anyways, we're here mainly to talk about the World Quality Report, and this is a great joint effort between CapGemini, Sogeti, and HP. Matt, can you tell us a little bit more about the World Quality Report?
Absolutely, Mike. This is our 5th edition of World Quality Report, where we reached out to about 1,500 respondents across CIOs, vice president directors, as well as testing professionals who are actually doing the hands-on work.
Right.
And some of the findings, the first one is organizations are realizing their testing or the software testing activity. Second, they are allocating more budget dollars for the software testing and the software QA area. For example, the percentage of budget available has increased from last year's about 16% to this year about 23%. And that is 1/4 of the available budget is really going after the testing activity. And the third interesting trend related to centralization is organizations are looking at more and more optimization from their test environments, optimization from their investments in the tools and the test setup and infrastructure, and which I feel is a great opportunity for HP and CapGemini as a partnership.
True. Yeah, I also, in reading the World Quality Report, one of the things that stuck out to me was the focus on mobile, that last year roughly 30 or 33% were testing mobile, and this year that's increased significantly to over 50%. And I think everybody's feeling the pressure of going mobile. One thing that, and this is personal for us because we actually developed a mobile app for the World Quality Report. I don't know if you guys can see that, but and one of the original developers and the guy who came up with the concept, Guillaume, is here from France, and I wanted him to share a little bit about this benchmarking app and give you a short demo of the app. Guillaume, can you tell us about the app and what it's all about?
Yeah, sure, absolutely, my pleasure, Mike. So here's a little story around this benchmarking app. So when you look at the World Quality Report, one of the things we figured out was that customers are using the report as a benchmarking tool, actually. They look at the data in this report and they start thinking where they are compared to those data, right? And we have many examples like that. So this year with CapGemini and Sogeti, I'm from HP, we decided to make things very real here, and we decided to develop a benchmarking app for iPad. So I wanted to show you a little bit what this benchmarking app is about. Just before I start a little demonstration, just that for everyone to know, it's basically 12 questions. So what you do is you download the app, you answer 12 questions, which are the original question of the World Quality Report, right? And then you get directly on graph your benchmark, basically personalized to you. So let me show you in live what this app looks like. We're very, very excited, so I can't wait to show you that.
Super.
So what you can see on your screen right now is, the iPad. We just downloaded here the app. So the name of the app is My WQR 2013. And once you have downloaded the app, you arrive on this first screen. You enter your information. It's actually very key that you answer those questions correctly, and specifically the job title. Because depending on who you are, what's your job title, we're going to ask you different questions, as we did for the World Quality Report. So you enter your information here, you push next, and then that's the moment where you're going to start answering those 12 questions. The question really covers, as you can see here, from the testing budget point of view, where you can play with those sliders, right, that add up to 100% here. So you answer this first question. Then you arrive here on the engagement model, another question. Again, really personalized, customized to the persona, to the profile, to your job title. Then you go into question 3, question 4, where you basically push, for example, here, which specialist testing skills, if any, your organization lack in-house, right? So you can basically select whatever you want. Same for question 4. You push whatever you want. So it's very, very easy to use. It's mobile, obviously. Question 5, question 6, around the challenges of provisioning a test environment. The challenges are in managing test data. Same principle, right? You push whatever you want. There we go. Go on next. Another question here on the test data iteration. Question 8 and 9. You can again select whatever you want. And arrive on question 10, we ask you whether you currently test mobile application, and depending if you answer yes or no, then you got 2 more questions that are really around mobile application testing. You answer those questions, and pretty much that's it. When you arrive on this screen, we thank you. We show you a little bit, which sample we're gonna compare your answer against. You push next. And here we go, the magic does operate here, and you get your benchmarking per question. So in green, as you can see on the screen, in green is your response, so percentage of basically budget allocated to human resource, tools, or testing hardware. So in green is your response. In blue is the World Quality Report response, the 1,500 respondents. And you can see, in green where you put your money, while, where the other basically put the money. And you can continue like that. See on question 2 where you compare to the other. On question 3, how you compare based on percentage. And, all questions are basically, back for you here. You can share by pushing on share. You can share results with your management, with your colleagues. Great conversation starter here, right? So that's pretty much it. I'm not going to the end, but basically we're very, very excited about this app, which is for iPads and available on the Apple App Store today.
Wow, Guillaume, that is super cool. And if you guys want to read the World Quality Report cover to cover, and it has industry areas, it has regional breakouts and so forth. You can download it from www.worldqualityreport.com or hp.com/go/CapGemini. And you can also download, as Guillaume mentioned, the app for free on the Apple iPad App Store at My WQR 2013. In addition, you can check out the new information about the new application release at hp.com/go/ALM. So thank you very much for joining us, and thank you, Mac and Guillaume.
Thanks,
Thank you.
everyone.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.